Hey guys, we have a Canon Pixma MG5520 printer today, and it's not picking up the paper. Support code 1003 or 1003. It says to load paper in the front tray. We have the paper here properly loaded, but it's still giving us the error. So let's take this printer together. First thing that we want to do is definitely make sure there is paper in the proper tray. And on this printer, this is the only tray. There isn't one in the back. So paper seems to be all good. What we're going to do is we're going to flip the printer on its side, like so. After we pull the paper out, going to slide the paper tray. We're going to slide it out. This is where our paper pickup rollers are. You can see there's actually a little piece of paper on here, tiny one. So to me this looks like it needs to be cleaned. So hopefully this is the case. The rollers seem to be working fine. So what I'm gonna do is just clean these rollers for now. So a couple things: you can use either Windex type cleaner. Just put it, do not spray in here at all. Do not spray into your printer for anything. So spray it onto the paper towel and clean the rollers by spinning one and cleaning the other. Do not force anything to avoid any breaks. So kind of wet it, let it do its thing, and then give it a wipe. Okay. Another option we can do is the alcohol swab, or just some alcohol on a piece of paper towel. Also, so I'm holding it against one and then cleaning it, and you can see that it's picking up some dirt. So that could be just paper dust accumulated with years of use or with months of use. Clean that. You can, if you're afraid that it'll damage your rollers, like alcohol or so, you can just wipe it with some warm water, let it dry, and we'll give it, I don't have to do this, but just to kind of speed this video up, we can see if that was the case. So go ahead and put the printer down. We're going to put the tray back in. After about a minute of drying the rollers, we can put the paper back in there. You can see if the rollers are dry by just loading paper, kind of rolling it back and forth. Seems like it's not leaving any prints on here, so let's try doing the test print. I'm gonna press OK. Okay, so it picked up paper after we cleaned the roller. I'm printing a nozzle check pattern on this. So another couple areas that you may want to check, is this is going to be usually the problem, but let's pull the paper out again, flip the printer on its side. Best to do it when the printer is off, or you don't have to even flip it on its side. It's just better for me to show you this when it's like that here. So let's pull the tray out as well. Here we go. We have this cover in the back. Here, let's do it a more proper way. So this is the area in the bag that you can access, and you can see there's some paper dust accumulated on these rollers that can also be cleaned. Make sure there's nothing in there that's kind of blocking the paper, or a little piece of paper that's jammed. And definitely you can always check the front, put some light into the right and left of the printer, and see how things are there. So those are kind of a few pointers for that problem, for either paper jam or paper pickup. And I hope this was a helpful video for you. If it was, please like this video, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day. Thanks.